Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Etherscan account, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Etherscan website using your preferred web browser. Once on the home page, look for the sign up or register button usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the sign up button to access the registration form. In the registration form, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Ensure that you use a valid email address as this will be required for account verification. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified password requirements. Retype the password in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy. Read through the terms and conditions, and if you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Now, click on the Register button to submit your information. After submitting, check your email inbox for a verification email from Etherscan. Open the email and look for a link that says Verify Email or something similar. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address and activate your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Etherscan website. You can now log in using your registered email and the password you created. Upon logging in, you will have access to your Etherscan account dashboard. Take a moment to explore the features available to you within your account. You can now start tracking Ethereum transactions and engage with various Etherscan services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.